Hello dear friends, this is Huan Machinery. I will take you to introduce ourselves. Who are we, what are we, and how are we? Firstly, I would like to introduce our company details, so give you a rough idea. Who are we? Established in 2001, our company is located in Zhangjiagang city near Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. We are specialized in producing various extrusion blow molding machines for produce these hollow products from 5 milliliter to 1,000 liter. Our company have research and development department with more than 20 staffs with rich experience, and our sales service department always give you quick response. Our machines are widely applied in chemical industry, food package, children toys, traffic barrier, float pontoon, plastic pellet and table plates, etc. Our machines are exported to all over the world, including South America, Africa, Asia, and the Middle East markets such as Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Mexico, South Africa, Mozambique, Cyprus, Egypt, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, etc. Our machines already meet CE standard for stable running, safety operation, and non-life. Our target is to supply you full automatic extrusion blow molding machine to increase your competition in your market. That's why we are called Total Solution Provider. Trustless makes simplicity. After this brief introduction, I believe you will have rough idea. Who are we? Yes, we are professional producer for various extrusion blow molding machines for producing this hollow product. For the next step, we will show you our sample room to tell you what are we.